Cart number 3 is full. Bring the next one up quickly. Keep it coming, a bit more to the left. Clear on this side.
Look at this one, shape inconsistency.
The scanner caught it, already redirected to the lower belt.
Check the metrics on screen. We're hitting peak efficiency. Yeah, the new ceiling heads are working perfectly.
We have a priority shipment coming through on the main line.
Confirmed. Adjusting flow rate now.
Looks like the outbound schedule is clear for the next hour.
Yes, the ASRRS systems are running perfectly.
The sensor array confirms stable temperature in Zone 4.
Good. The automated flow is calibrated correctly.
Pallet 72 routing confirmed. Ready for shipment.
Acknowledged. Gate 4 is clear.
Bring it back 3 feet, steady now, you're clear on the left. We need Bay 4 loaded and sealed in the next 10 minutes.
Next truck ready for gate release. Check manifest 7G.
Confirmed. Release on schedule.
We need to ensure the priority freight goes to lane 4.
The system adjusted the routing automatically. We are clear.
Send the next one down lane 3. Copy that, moving now.
that pallet moving. We can't have a backlog today.
Got it. Just waiting for the lift assist.
Send the priority boxes down first.
The automated adjustments stabilize the European pipeline.
Good. Keep monitoring the transit times in Sector Gamma.
Reroute the target shipment to lane 12.
Roger that. Updating the manifest.
You can head straight to lane 5, right over there, ma'am. We'll get you checked out quickly.
The gate opens automatically. Thank you. Please come again.
Real-time synchronization across all North American retail points is confirmed. We are maintaining optimal stock levels.
Inventory thresholds activate automated reorder systems. Digital workflows transition into logistics.
Check the alignment on Sector 4.
Looks good. The automated adjustment worked perfectly. The sanitation cycle ensures complete coverage across all lanes. As you can see, the cleaning solution is carried away instantly.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Looks good. Airflow is stable.
The vibration analysis on Sector 4 is holding steady at optimal.
Good. The automated adjustment worked perfectly. We can proceed with the next phase.
We're handing over at full capacity, 98% efficiency logged on the tablet.
Received. I'll keep an eye on the calibration sequence.
As you can see, the reroute is maintaining optimal flow.
Yes, the backup systems mirrored the primary operations seamlessly.
Follow the path to the assembly area. Remember, calm and controlled movements are key to efficiency.
See how the torque setting changes for the new component.
Right, so we adjust it here before the calibration sequence.
Global logistics are fully aligned for Q3.
The new system eliminated all previous delays.
System stability remains at 99.9% across all historical metrics. No fluctuations detected.
The parameter adjustments stabilize the throughput immediately.
An incremental efficiency boost of nearly 12%.